Oh yeah, so we have a great crusher for only for our lovely bride, prepared by your pogi husband. Yeah, so our great crusher, kung may Adam Levine. You want that? You want a song Sugar? Baka nandito yung Maroon 5. Okay lang. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Brother Robert Chan!
Hi. Hello. Hi. Where's Kenny? Kelly at Kelly. Hi, my name is Robert. I've been invited by your very handsome husband. I met him a few nights ago. So, I think this is your favorite song, or his favorite song for you. So here we go. Okay lang kayo? Thanks for the invite. Won't you be my number two? Me and number one of two. Yeah, sabi niya eh.
Rewind.
Kasi okay. Hindi yun ang request niya. So, congratulations pala. I hope this is a good start for you guys. And sige na lang. Bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon kailan ka? May request ka na lang ba? Para maayo, sayang yung punta ko eh. Ito, maganda ito. You call me from the room in your hotel.
Separate lives.
Are you disappointed?
Offer romance, someone that you met. Okay lang sa'yo. No. Do you have a requested song or parang mali yung booking agent ko, parang mali yung book? Baka may request kang song or what is your favorite song? Jerome, meron ka bang favorite song or Forevermore? Uy, kasing haba ng book ni Joey Generoso. Forevermore. Oh, yun.